Rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, my dear brothers and sisters. Today we have a new topic. The name of the topic is Tanween. Our major topic about Tanween. The second thing we will discuss about Gunna. Gunna, okay? So first of all, I'm going to tell you what is Tanween. Tanween is the Arabic terminology. The Arabic terms it's mean when you have double fatha. Okay, when you have a double fatha any letter, that is called tanween. When you have double kasra in any letter, it's called tanween. When you have double zaman any letter, that is called tanween. In the other hand, you can say double fatha, double kasra, and double dhamma is called tanween. I'm repeating again. Double fatha, double kasra, double dhamma is called tanween. Tanween, okay? This is the Arabic terminology. You need to keep in your mind tanween. Okay? So, in this lesson, tanween, one major thing, one major act we will going to do, that is called ghunna. Gunna. Okay, what is gunna? So gunna is also Arabic term. The gunna mean you make long your voice, okay, and you put voice in your nose, and you just you did not read the whole sound, okay. You did not read the whole sound. The sound is behind in your nose, so that will be called, that will be going to gunna. Okay, for example, this is meme double fatha man. You don't say man, you say man, man. Okay, you don't pronounce the whole full form of your sound. You just behind the sound in your nose. That is called gunna. Okay, to make long and put voice in your nose and just behind the sound. Okay, hidden, the sound is hidden. All right, the sound is hidden. Okay, so I'm reading now, you need to follow me. um Meme double fatha man, man, man. So man is full form. When you hide the sound, it's become man. Okay, hide. I use behind, not behind. Hide is mean. Okay, so no, don't pronounce the full form, just pronounce the just the eighth one third of the one third of the sound. Not man, is man, man. This is called gunna, and little bit make long. Okay, I'm going to read. Meme alif double fatha man. Sorry, don't pronounce alif. Okay, it's better you don't pronounce alif, right? In this form, when you have alif and when you have ya, you, if you don't pronounce ya, okay, right? I will let you know in the next lesson what is the reason. Okay, so meme double fatha ma, meme double fatha ma, meme double kasra min, min, min. Okay, your tongue is just near from your tooth. Okay, but you did not touch, you did not touch your teeth, tooth. Okay, you did not touch your teeth, just near from your teeth. Okay, meme double kasra mim, mim. And next is meme double dhamma mu, mu. Okay, same rule to of same rules of spelling. First of all, you read letter, and then you read the sign. Here is the double zamma, and the third step you will read the sound. Okay, this is the steps of spelling. Okay, meme double dhamma mu becomes ma, mi, mu. All right, I'm reading the next one. Ba double fatha ba, ba double kasra bin, ba double kasra bin. Ba double dhamma. Boom. It's going me now. Bang, bin, boom. This is very important, my dear. When you read the letters, when you read the word sentences, so this sound is stretching, is making long, avoiding. So this your tune and your sound will be more beautiful, very nice. If you want your voice is going good and you recite Quran very well, so everybody like your recitation, so you must follow the rules. Okay, this is the major impact on your recitation if you read with the tajweed. Okay, this is important. So it's going to be bang, bing, boom. We're going to the next one. Wow, double fatha one. Wow, double kasra win. Wow, double dhamma one. Excuse me, one, win, one. Okay, the next letter is fa. Fa double fatha fan. Fan. Fa double kasra fin. Fa double dhamma fun. Fan fin fun. Fa double fatha than. ثاء دبل كسرة ثن. ثاء دبل دم ثن. become ثن ثن ثن. Next one. ذال double, you don't pronounce ya. ذال double فتحة ذن. ذال double ذال 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 ذال. Okay, not zal. Clear? ذال double فتحة ذن. ذال double كسرة ذن. ذال double دم ذن. It's going to be ذن ذن ذن. Okay? Next, now if you look, this is first of all correct the real pronunciation of the letter. That is za, 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 za. Okay, sorry. Za double fatha dhan. 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 Za double kasra dhin. Za double dhamma dhan. Za double dhamma dhan. Going be dhan, dhin, dhan. So look, dal, za, and za. These three, they'll together these three one. Why? What is the reason of dal is here, za is here, za is here? Because the people not clarify the differentiation between dal, za, and za. So you must be clear the sound. Okay, this is dal, this is za, and this is za. I already uploaded the video of the same sound. You can check in your on your my YouTube. Okay, so this is za, this is va, this is dal. All right, so I'm reading za double fatha zan. za double kasra zin. za double dhamma zun. Is going to be zan, zin, zun. Okay, this is the zunna. So there are some kind of letter which is called halaqi. The letters of halaqi, that is a very important role in the gunna. Okay, so if you have a halaqi letter after double fatha, you don't make long in every double zamma, double fatha, double kasra. There are some assumption. You did not make long, so you need to remember the letter halaqi, that is hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha, and lam and ra. Just right now leave lam ra. Okay, I will explain again. You need to read, you need to remember the letter ha, kha, ain, ghain, ha, and hamza. Okay, ha and hamza. So these are six letter: ha, kha, ain, ghain, ha, hamza, or hamza, ha, ain, ha, ghain, kha. So these are the called halaqi letter. Okay, if you have double fatha in the Quran, if you have double fatha, double kasra, double zamma, and after double fatha, double kasra, double zamma, you have halaqi letter, you didn't pronounce, you make long, you don't make long. Okay, you didn't do gunnah. So okay, inshallah, in the next one, when we have a lesson of gunnah, I will explain again the halaqi letter. Okay, just right now you need to keep in your mind there are one kind of letter that is called halaqi. Okay, I will upload it a single video about halaqi letter, inshallah. Okay, so just practice this page. All right, if you have any problem, anything, if you know, just text me on comment box. Okay, just put the comments and then I will explain it again. Okay, so I hope you understand. And there are one more page, right? The next page is also, the whole page also about um, uh, double fatha, double kasra. Look, okay, this is san, sin, and sun, and swan, swin, sun. Okay, the whole page. You can apply the same rule on the whole page. Okay, look, ain double fatah, ain double kasra, ain double damma, ain, hamza double fatah, hamza double kasra, in, hamza double damma, in, okay, the whole page. I will upload it this page also. Okay, so you practice this one and read again and again, watch so many times, inshallah. I hope you can understand easily. If you still not understand, just text me. Okay, inshallah, we will meet in the next video with the new lesson. Just come, inshallah. Okay, so take care of yourself, inshallah. We will meet again from our next lesson, inshallah. Okay, assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.